Nuclear energy, a boom or a bane? Finding sustainable, dependable energy sources is becoming more and more important as the Philippines has frequent power outage and growing electricity rates. Could nuclear energy be the solution we need? Or is it a risk too great to take? I am here today to present why I believe that the Philippines is ready to pursue nuclear energy as a vital solution to meet our country's power needs. The Philippines is facing a mounting energy crisis as the Malampaya natural gas fields, currently supplying 30% of Luzon's energy consumption, are expected to run out by 2024-2025. There are significant obstacles to energy production, including a growing population, a new government, and some of Southeast Asia's highest electricity prices. Due to the impact of COVID-19, the energy sector faced many challenges that necessitated adjustments to ensure continuity of energy services to consumers. Why is nuclear energy a viable solution? Since nuclear energy emits almost no carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases, it is sometimes referred to as a clean energy technique. Additionally, nuclear energy avoids the atmospheric pollutants that are frequently produced when fossil fuels are used to generate energy. Therefore, nuclear plants can provide baseline power to supplement renewable sources like solar and wind. France gets up to around 70% of its electricity from nuclear energy, while Ukraine, Slovakia, and Hungary get about half from nuclear power, and Japan was used to relying on nuclear power for more than one quarter of its electricity and is expected to return to somewhere near that level. A major environmental concern related to nuclear power is the creation of radioactive waste such as uranium milk tailings, spent or used reactor fuel, and other radioactive waste. These materials can remain radioactive and dangerous to human health, while accidents and cancer risks are the other risks of nuclear energy. What are the benefits of nuclear energy? With the increasing threat of climate change, nuclear power can contribute to reducing carbon emissions, which is crucial in achieving global sustainability goals. The reopening of Bataan Nuclear Power Plant could provide significant boost to the country's efforts towards a more sustainable future. Nuclear energy has a several economic advantage over other forms of energy, including its low operating cost, its ability to provide stable and reliable baseload power, and minimal greenhouse gas emissions. Areas with lower population density is, I think, the best location to put these nuclear power plants. In summary, the Philippines stands at a crossroad in its energy future. With the rising electricity cost and the urgent need for a sustainable solution, it is clear that nuclear energy offers a viable path forward. While it is important to recognize the potential risks associated with nuclear power, advances in technology and rigorous safety protocols can help mitigate these concerns. Let's take this chance to make progress toward a more sustainable and resilient future. In my opinion, the Philippines is prepared for nuclear energy, not as a threat, but as a game-changing option for future generations.